Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The National Road Operating and Constructing Company NROC has officially launched an offer for sale of up to 1.75 billion ordinary shares in Trans-Jamaican Highway. This move represents an opportunity for investors to acquire shares in the highway operator through this public offering. As part of the offer for sale, NROC has set aside just over 700 million ordinary shares as reserved shares. These shares will be available for priority applications from strategic investors at a price of $3.60. If any of these reserved shares remain unpurchased, they will be made available for subscription by the general public. NROC retains the option to increase the size of the offer by issuing an additional 750 million ordinary shares. Sagicor, health and life insurance coverage will now be more accessible for members of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association. Deidre Thomas explains.
Sagicor Group Jamaica has inked a multi-million-dollar memorandum of understanding with the Jamaica Manufacturing and Exporters Association, JMEA. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Aubin Hill, says this collaboration is paving the way for long-term sustainability.
This memorandum of understanding between the Jamaica Manufacturers Exporters Association and Sagicor Life Jamaica is a clear demonstration of what bold collaboration can achieve. For too long, our manufacturers and exporters have faced challenges in accessing affordable employee benefits. With this group insurance scheme, that changes. Now, all JMEA members will be able to provide essential health coverage for their workers.
This two-pronged agreement, which provides health and life insurance coverage for over 400 JMEA members, will also grant access to resources such as mentorship, training, and business development support.
Members will provide their tailored group life and group health and other insurance options at competitive rates. Once enrolled members will retain their initial rates for the full 12 months, and there's a period where there'll be no increases for those 12 months. In terms of the staff, which is the financial fitness, Sagicor will provide kind of information with respect to, you need to learn to budget smarter. A pension is an insurance for assurance when you get old. Planning for life, big moments. Everybody in Jamaica now wants to own a home. But a big aspect of getting a home is to save the down payment and build that for yourself.
Only a small percentage of Jamaicans have access to life and health insurance, which leaves many vulnerable to financial hardship in the event of illness, injury, or death. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
In foreign exchange trading today, the American dollar sold for $157.85. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $111.23. $201.92 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $164.94. The JSE index declined by 247 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 20 points. The 47 winners were led by Carbon Assurance Brokers, JMMB 7.15% preference shares, Edufocal, Pulse Investments, and Berger Paints. 39 stocks lost ground today, including T-Tech, Jetcon Corporation, Image Plus Consultants, JMMB Group 7.5% preference shares, and Access Financial Services. 18 shares traded firm. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.